Again, when we get a call from a customer complaining of a furnace making noise or anything along those lines, there's multiple components that could be causing that problem. In that scenario, we suggest that we get one of our certified service technicians out to the home, do a full in-depth survey of the equipment. That way, we can deal with the issue making the noise now, and obviously also get our eyes on the other components of the system. Just make sure that the customer has all the information so that they can make the best decision for themselves and their family.